Hafmall Backpack Waterproof Travel Mummy by Hafmall is one of the best baby diaper bags products. Lightweight, durable, lightweight and stylish, made of high-quality cloth, inside and outside wipes clean easily, low maintenance. Water-resistant and environmental polyester with strong zippers design. Large capacity. Dimension is 10. 6 x 8. 3 x 16. 5. Consists of one large main compartment, 12 separate storage pockets, such as insulated pockets, and dry and wet split pocket and tissue pocket, etc. Store all the baby essentials, keep everything is in perfect order. Multifunction. The bag can be worn as a backpack, carried using the handles, or secured onto the stroller. It is fashionable and practical, suitable for many occasions, like shopping, restaurant, traveling, etc. Fashion comfortable. Adopts stylish and elegant design, with padded shoulder straps help you decrease shoulder pressure, make you feel more comfortable. Diaper backpack stays securely on your back without slipping off and keeps your hands free to hold a baby or that much needed latte. Satisfaction guarantee. Lifetime limited warranty against manufacturer defects, any quality problem. Please contact Hafmall team in time. You will get timely help. Please make sure diaper bags come from Hafmall shop before purchasing.